We'll guide you through how to use Canva and Printify to create and sell custom designs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Canva on your desktop and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, just sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, go to the template section and search for a design type you want, like t-shirts or mugs. Canva offers a wide variety of customizable templates. Click on a template you like to start editing. You can change the colors, add text, and use Canva's extensive library of graphics and fonts to personalize your design. Once your design is ready, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose a PNG format for the best quality. Now head over to Printify's website and log into your account. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to sign up. After logging in, go to the My Store section and click on Add Product. Here, you can select the type of product you want to sell with your design, like a t-shirt, hoodie, or mug. On the product page, upload your design by dragging and dropping your downloaded Canva file. Adjust the placement and size on the product to ensure it looks just right. Once you're satisfied, click Save Product, add it to your store. You can then set your pricing and publish it to your online store if it's connected. And that's it. You now have a custom design product ready to sell. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.